In this video, I'm going to show you the new adjustable light bulbs being sold at Costco. You have your choice of 60 watt and 100 watt. Now these are LED, so they use about 8 watts for the 60s and about 17 watts for the 100 watt. Now these are adjustable from 2700K to 6500K. There is a little slide button right here on the side. All you have to do is slide it to wherever you want to get the color temperature you want of the light bulb. Now one nice thing about these, you don't have to buy all different styles of light bulbs throughout your house. Say you want them different in the kitchen than the bathroom, you're buying 2 different styles of lights, you got to keep them in stock in case one goes out. You can just buy a couple packs of these and you just adjust them according to however you want it to look in the room. Now the 60 watt put out 800 lumens, the 100 watt put out 1600 lumens. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to go ahead, screw one of these in and show you all the adjustments. Now this isn't an ugly looking bulb. It's adjustable, but you can barely see the little slide on the side of there. So it's not like it's huge or there's any type of switches that are ugly. This is a nice looking light bulb, especially if it's screwed in a certain way. You don't even see the little side switch. On the left are the 60 watt bulbs, and those are going to come in a 6-pack. On the right are the 100 watt bulbs, and those are going to come in a 4-pack. So just keep that in mind when you're purchasing. These have 5 settings, so it's highly customizable. 2700, 3000, 4000, 5000, and 6500. Also, these have a 15,000 life hour rating. They are damp rated, and surprisingly enough, they are even dimmable. They pretty much have everything you need. This is the 60 watt bulb, and that's set at 2700. I'm just going to slide the switch up to the first notch. That's 3000 right there. If I go up one more, that's 4000. One more gets me to 5000. Now the last setting is 6500. I'm going to go ahead and put in the 100 watt bulb so you can see the difference. The 100 watt bulb set at 2700. There's 3000, 4000, 5000, and 6500. These are good quality adjustable light bulbs. They are packed with a lot of features at a good cost. You're $11.99 for the 100 watt and you're at $9.99 for the 60 watt. So next time you're at your local Costco and you might need some light bulbs, go ahead and grab a pack of these and you won't be disappointed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.